Hello Xelluxers. Tonight's class was a resounding success. Kudos to all our students from United Kingdom. They really did it well today. It's really appreciated. You understand? We actually quickly built this sales dashboard from scratch. We actually transform our data. We calculate our revenue. We multiply units sold by price per unit to get our revenue. That's our KPI, key performance indicator. That we ensure that we create this slicer here because it's actually dynamic. It's loaded. It's actually dynamic. This for Dialog, this for Power Grade, this for Sprite, and this for Coca-Cola. So it's really a very amazing class. They really enjoyed them. So moving from beginners and continue to step up, level up. There's absolute beginner friendly. That's Xellux technology is from scratch. Absolute beginner. You must actually know the course by the end of the course. At least say you don't know something at all. You must know 75% of what we are actually training you for: data analytics, business analytics, financial analytics, Power BI, and all that, front end development, back end engineering, and all that. Time you get value for your money. That's why globally our students from United Kingdom, USA, Cyprus, Turkey, Ivory Coast, yes, Ivory Coast, Canada, and more. You can go to our website www.xellustechnologies.com to see more. And we also have our foundation. We give back to the society. So that class is really amazing. Kudos to our United Kingdom students. I would say good night. So tired right now. Bye. Light out.